18 Marines, ay sinama ni Senator Pia Cayetano,
Sige.
Okay.
Buka kayo.
Okay, so nakapasok yung mga 18 Marines na kasama sa guests sa Law for the Blue Ribbon Committee at isinama sila ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Up! Ay! Oh my God! Senator! At dito siya, Secretary John Vic Remulla at pinipigil sila Senator Robin Padilla. Oh my God! Nagtakbuhan sila Senator Pia Cayetano kasama yung labing walong Marines, kasama ko si Senator Robin Padilla. Sinasarahan kami ng pinto!
A few moments later.
Sek, ano pong masasabi niyo sa nangyaring gitgitan kanina habang papasok po yung Brigade 18? Especially sa Senator Pia, nagrereklamo po siya, Senator Robin, kasi inaharang niyo po.
Hindi nga, palabagisa ka lang ako. What? Didn't have anybody with me. Palabas na ako eh. Yun. Bigla na lang, a whole gang went up and I didn't have any security with me, nothing. So, kasi I was trying to block out.